Watson, and this is my first time driving. Well, actually, my second, but.
So let's have it. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. All right.
Okay.
Look where you're going.
Okay, I've turned my left signal on, so I go that way.
Okay.
Correction. No, correction. Come on. Okay. Gotta keep turning a little that way.
Pretty scary.
I know.
Hello.
Don't distract.
Thank you for using your signal. All right. Honk your horn, shake your fist at the bad drivers. Honk. Shake your fist. Very good. All right. Which way are you going? Okay. Ready? Very good. Driving at the church. Praise the Lord. All right. Ready? Go. Watson.
Yeah.
Big boy. Woohoo! Look at him driving that truck. Oh, where are you headed now?
I'm doing another lap.
Oh, okay. Well, you're going to hit the curb now. You better make up your mind.
Okay.
All right. Okay, stop. All right, that's enough.